Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious crispy chicken burger at home, step by step. We'll start by selecting boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which offer the best flavor and texture. Then, pound them to an even thickness of about 1/2 inch. This ensures consistent cooking. Finally, brine your chicken in buttermilk for at least 30 minutes. This simple step guarantees a wonderfully juicy and tender result every time. Next, let's master the perfect breading technique for that irresistible crunch. You'll need a 3-station dredging system. First, plain flour. Second, an egg wash. And third, a seasoned flour mixture. For the seasoned flour, combine all-purpose flour with a touch of cornstarch and your favorite spices. Double dredge the chicken, pressing firmly to ensure a thick, craggy coating that will become incredibly crispy when fried. Now for the exciting part, frying your chicken to golden perfection. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or fryer to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the breaded chicken into the hot oil. Fry each piece for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked through. Remember to fry in small batches to keep the oil temperature consistent and ensure maximum crispiness. Finally, let's assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your brioche buns with a little butter for a rich, flavorful base. Place your perfectly crispy chicken patty on the bottom bun. Then, add your favorite toppings, fresh lettuce, tangy pickles, and a generous dollop of creamy sauce. Cap it off with the top bun. Serve your incredible homemade crispy chicken burger immediately and savor every single bite of this delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.